For this assignment, we're going to be looking at 1.06 theme, and there's two assignments under theme, so we're going to take a look at both of those. So as always, you begin by clicking on modules. And that takes you to this page here. You'll need to scroll down and find 1.06 theme right here. Remember that this is for the reading, and you must always do all of the reading for every single assignment. It's very important. You need to do all of the reading. Page 1 has introduction, and it has a Little Red Riding Hood here, and you need to read through all this and the objectives. And remember, this lesson is about theme. Page 2 talks about the message, and you will need to scroll down and do this little part here. You'll have to push go and then go through this story and select the answers. For the sake of saving time, I've skipped ahead a couple of pages, but make sure you read them all. On page 5, you're going to find the As You Read graphic organizer, and you will click on that, and it's going to open up the graphic organizer, and you're going to fill this in. You've already done this before for a previous assignment, but you're going to do this again for this assignment, and you are going to be submitting it to one of the drop boxes. Just like the previous one, I do want you to do at least 5. So make sure that you have at least 5 questions. You need examples from the text to answer those or come to a conclusion, and then you need your answer and conclusion. So that's for 5. And this one, unlike the previous one, does not give you questions, but you can use those previous questions if you want to kind of guide you for the kinds of questions to write for this one. And you're going to use that graphic organizer as you read this chapter, just chapter 4, The Cylinder Opens from War of the Worlds. So again, you would hover on the corner, click on it, it has the reading on one side and then questions to help keep you focused on the other side. Make sure you read the entire thing as you keep your graphic organizer open, and also you can click on these questions here, and you can use these in your graphic organizer if that, oh, it actually says to do that and write them in your notes. Okay, that's perfect. You can come up with your own questions if you want to, but these questions are good, and I definitely do recommend using them, especially if you're not sure what to ask. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Page 6 is really important. This is where it goes over how to write a topic sentence. And topic sentence is one of the assignments that you're turning in. So here it says, you will often need to write about what you've learned. Or, I'm sorry, about what you've read. This is because good literature is supposed to make you think about the world around you. When you write about the literature you have read, it is important to craft strong topic sentences for your paragraphs. And so here it goes through a topic sentence and what you need to do in order to write a good one. So make sure that you read all of this, including these 6 little pages in the instructions here, because this is telling you and giving you the instructions for how to write a topic sentence. If you have questions when you are all done watching this video and you've read everything, please make sure that you come and ask me. You can either give me a call, send me an email, or come to my office hours, which is what I definitely recommend more than anything else, because we can work on it together one-on-one and make sure and do this right. So you're going to need to read this whole entire page about topic sentence, and then let's look at the final page so that we can go over the instructions of exactly what is expected of you. So here's the assessment instructions, and again, you are turning in 2 different things. If you look down here, it says number 3, in the assessments area, submit your completed As I Read graphic organizer to 1.06a theme notes. So that's the questions and answers that you did while you were reading the chapter from War of the World. You are submitting the graphic organizer. If you cannot write on the graphic organizer, or if you have any trouble with that, just create it in a list format, either in a Word document or type directly into the text box that's included in the Dropbox area. And then the second thing, it says to submit your War of the Worlds topic sentence. So let's scroll up here and look at exactly what those instructions are. It says use the thoughts you recorded in your notes to write a topic sentence for a paragraph analyzing Chapter 4, The Cylinder Opens from War of the Worlds. You are only writing the topic sentence. You're not actually going to write the whole paragraph, but you're going to write the topic sentence as though you were going to write the whole paragraph. You're going to pick one of these 2 questions. You do not have to do both, just one. So you can either write on number 1, based on this chapter, what might be the author's message or theme. Remember now, don't answer that question. You're writing a topic sentence for a paragraph that would answer that question. Choose that one or the second one and submit that to the Dropbox when you're done. And if you have questions, contact me. Thank you.